I'll guide you through how to find forgotten Instagram passwords on Android the easy way, without panicking when you've lost access to an account. If you're looking to recover a lost password for your Instagram account, or you simply want to see your saved login details, and you need to find forgotten Instagram passwords on Android, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button and let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile picture icon, which is usually in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Google Account under your name. Once you're on your Google Account page, locate and tap on Password Manager. You will see a list of all your saved passwords for various social media and other accounts. Tap the Instagram icon or website to find your forgotten password, and you will be presented with the option to unlock your Android device either with a password or biometric, depending on which you use. Once you do, the login and password for your Instagram account will display for you. You can also edit the details here if you wish. By this, you've half successfully found your forgotten Instagram password on Android. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Instagram video tutorials. Thanks for watching.